Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So today we're just doing a quick unboxing of this from GOXAWEE Power Tools. So this is a rotary tool. It's kind of like so here's the case. It's very nice. It's just a rotary tool, kind of like the typical ones that you see, the main brand one. And I locked it, so let's go this way here. Is it that way? Nope. Okay, so let's go back this way. And there we go. Alright. So it comes with the manual. And here's the locking tool. And some extra springs for locking. Here's some cutting bits for circular saw to cut stuff. And I'm not sure what this oil thing in here is. Maybe some type of greasing for when cutting other type of items. I'm not too sure. This comes with a nice little shield. This nice little rotary bit to kind of keep it leveled on a flat surface. Just kind of just put that in there. And you get a box of all these cool accessories for little grinders, metal cutters, some more saws, they cut like wood types. Here's some polishing stuff, some drill bits, some wire cleaning brush. So wow, it just comes with everything you need out of the box. Look at that. Different type of polishing. And as you can see, the cord is actually a pretty decent length. Let's see, about 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 feet at least. And I love it that comes with this soft type of cord. I have some other tools, some different brands where the cord is a little thicker and it's not as malleable as this. So I love that. It comes with a nice soft power cord. And nice feature is it has this for hanging. So you can easily hang this. And here you go with the different type of power. Ooh, wow, I love the way that, look at that. That is nice. How it has like the micro in between switching. It has a nice positive feel. Alright. And here goes that type of information. And here goes the head, the squeeze button, unlocking, there's the collar, and here's the little head bit to unscrew, to put different bits in. So this is very, very nice solid feel. The plastic seam is very nicely done. There's nothing scraping or any loose material to kind of scratch your hand. Because, you know, obviously this type of device, you'll be holding it for long, extended periods of time. So you don't want any rough edges, and this definitely does not have any rough edges. Has nice positive gripping on the collar. Look at that. Easy to manipulate, even one-handed. This is very nice aluminum, stainless steel there. Alright, and this is not too extended, so you won't accidentally knock it and change the speed while you're using it. So let's go ahead and put this back in. And the cool part about this one is that it comes with this feature that a lot of newer ones will have, and that is this nice cool extended rotary arm. So you just kind of slip it in and screw it in place. And from there, this one will be a very nice detailed hand one, so you can maybe use for like engraving or just a lot of different benefits of having this extension type neck for your rotary tool. All right, so I'm pretty new to this, and I wanted something that would fit a wide variety of uses. And I went with this brand because it just included a lot of things that other ones did not include. As you can see in this case, there's just so many different accessories. But I just wanted something that was very budget friendly, that gives you all the capabilities. And this one here, the extension, was what really was the deal breaker for me. Some of them didn't really have it. And then the ones that did, just the quality of it didn't seem that great in the pictures. So I went with this brand because I could tell the quality of it is a lot nicer. And so far I'm very pleased. So I'll be using this over the next couple weeks. And I'll update the comments or the description on how my thoughts on this is. But my initial view of this is actually very positive. And I do like it. It comes with a nice quality case. Because some of them, they come with a real thin case, you know, that just feels a little wobbly. But this one snaps shut. Has a little nice locking arm here. And that's just a nice little extra bonus. Again, this is a new rotary tool from GOXAWEE. Alright. I'll leave the description below and the link to Amazon so you get the most updated pricing. And if you like stuff like this, let me know. And I'll try to get more cool tools. Later on, I'll probably start doing projects on my channel. And if that's something that interests you, just make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll start coming out with those. Alright? I'll leave it there. GOXAWEE.